Hi there, just a quick update on the FT-100D, sorry, beg your pardon, yeah, the ftm-100D situation. I've just found in the junk box an old VHF high band duplexer. I modified it at some time to give me a single notch rather than these are normally a pair of notches or a band pass and a notch or two notches. This particular configuration is a band pass and a notch. So what I've done is I've just using the notch here. I've just isolated this side of the circuit. So you've basically got four helical resonators. I've just got it hooked up to the spectrum analyzer at the moment. I've got the tracking generator on, so we've got the output, so the output of the tracking generator here coming into one side of the filter and then out of the filter into the input of the spectrum analyzer. And we're plotting from 100 to 200 megs. I've got some markers on here. Marker number one, this is the 1533. This is the pager, one of the common pager frequencies, and they're all in around that band, 15335, 15375, very strong. And you see I've got a second marker here, and this is a very typical curve of a notch filter. You get this kind of, it's not ideal filter. We've got a bit of a bump here, as you can see, but just in this where it rolls off here, you can see I've put a marker on, and the frequency is 144.8. We can just move up and down here. We can see we're getting maybe 0.1 dB there. So anyway, that's nothing to worry about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just tune this filter just a little bit more and just see if I can improve the deepness of this notch. As you can see, it's not quite right. I'll do this off video because it's difficult to twiddle the screws, but just to show you the setup here. And so the ideal being is I'll be able to put this in line with the mobile set, and we should be able to take out this interfering signal, which is just here, and we've got 50 dBs of attenuation here. But incidentally, I did normalise the tracking generator with this cable with a coupler across these two to give me a flat response. It's not the best way to do it. A vector network analyzer will give more accurate results, but for this I think this application will be fine here. So I'm quite happy with that. 60 dBs would be nice, and I'll just see if I can tune this to give us a bit of a steeper notch, whilst maintaining this nice little bump we've got here, which is the pass band in the 2 meter band, as you can see. And if you extrapolate this line off, obviously you've got the broadcast band here, so we'll know that that's about 15 dB down, which is, you know, not that useful, but 30 dBs down here might be useful. But we'll see how it goes, and I shall report back in another video if we're still getting pager breakthrough.